Weasels are such a pain in the neck! Oh well! I finally got rid of them! The final round! So if I win, I'll be sure to make the video game championships being held next year! Yeah! Oh, come on!
Junior, now you come back here and you finish your meal.
I'm full. I'm already full.
You don't have that much left to eat, Junior. Just come back and finish it, and then you can go to bed. Get back here.
Go play somewhere else. I'm kind of busy here. Go away. Leave me alone.
Junior, are you anywhere around here?
Huh?
Have you seen my son, Junior?
He's here.
No, I haven't seen him.
Listen here now. You're a good boy and you need to listen to your father. Just finish your lunch and then I'll put you down for your nap.
Nope.
Be a good boy now and finish your lunch.
I'm already full. I'm not eating no more.
You only have one bite left, son.
Don't want it.
But it's good for your growing body. Wait for me, son.
They're gone. Now I can continue with my game. My warrior's been defeated. If it weren't for them, I would have won.
Time for your nap, my dear boy. Lullaby and good night. That's it. Just go to sleep, my good boy. Papa loves you very much. Now you just lie down here and take a nice rest.
Mr. Seahorse!
Shh! I'm sorry he caused you so much trouble today.
Oh no, it's nothing!
My son is a good boy, though he may get a little meddlesome.
This time you ain't going nowheres! Glutton, go on! Go get that chicken! Move it, man!
Right away, Slim. I got this one covered. Here's a new trick I learned from my friends down at the rodeo. I got her!
That's excellent! Now pull, Glutton!
Right.
Daddy, help
My
me!
son! Oh, don't take my son away!
Hey, Glutton, which recipe do you recommend?
Chicken stew with seaweed. Must be delicious.
Chicken stew with seaweed it is!
Got it.
Kidnapping? That's low, even for you stinking weasels. Don't worry, we'll get him back.
All right, get on my back, small fry. We'll go after them. Ready? Come on! Stop! Stop it, you rotten weasels! Give me back my son!
Hey, Slim, look. There's a seahorse chasing us. There.
He must be lost!
Stop right there! Oh, a one-way street? Hey, come back here! You broke the traffic laws!
Forget the traffic rules. We've got no time. Just turn right. Come on.
No way! We seahorses are known for our law-abiding good behavior. Oh, right! We can make a turnaround about 100 yards ahead.
If we don't get there in
red light.
At this rate, we'll never catch up with them.
Green light, let's go.
Hey, Slim, the seahorse is still chasing us. Maybe he wants small fry.
Not a chance! I won't allow anyone to take away my dreams of becoming a real weasel! I want to be a weasel!
As clan soldiers, you must maintain your positions at all times. Oh, what the? Oh, who dares interrupt my training? Meet this!
We didn't do it! Help!
Small fry!
Hey, Slim, if that's small fry there, then what do we have?
A baby seahorse? I can't believe it! I've gone through all this trouble only to catch an ugly seahorse? Yeah!
My boy! Daddy is here! My boy! Oh, my baby boy! I'm so glad you came back! Oh, Daddy missed you so much!
What are you doing here, glutton? Let's get small fry! Hey!
Thank you, Mr. Seahorse.
I should be thanking you, Small Fry, for helping me save Junior!
Mr. Seahorse!
Give me that chicken, you sea biscuit!
Wow, Mr. Seahorse, you're even weaker than Uncle Waddles! I'll take care of this!
Let's end this thing!
Hey! My children are not weapons, you little punk! Help me!
Hey, stop there!
Octopus! Throw that octopus at them!
Okay, sorry, little guy.
Come back here!
Mr. Seahorse, do you see that hole? Go in there, we'll be safe, come on!
But I'm scared!
Do it for your baby, come on, be strong!
All right, I'll try my best.
Small fries over there!
Check it out, Slim. We're gonna have seafood chicken stew today. Chicken stew?
Huh? What is that?
Small fry too. Chicken stew.
Don't eat me, please! Stay away!
Oh no! That fish is coming our way! We gotta hide, Junior!
Chicken stew.
That pipsqueak is so finished!
But then we won't have any chicken left.
Maybe we'll get her back! Come on!
All right, go get her, get her.
Shut up! He swallowed our chicken! Oh!
I hope that torpedo quenched your hunger!
Hey, fishy! If I were as strong and tough as you, I'd teach that little pipsqueak a lesson! Let's Go!
That was way too close. Thank goodness he's not following me. Help me!
You are sleeping, my
He's singing a lullaby.
La da da, eyes are blue and lullaby and the night. You are sleeping, my child. Lullaby.
I'm tired. Time to go to sleep.
Lullaby and good night. You are sleeping, my baby.
I'm tired of this place. Who wants perfect weather anyway?
Wow! The ocean breeze, the sea spray, and seashells. I'm finally at the beach. How romantic! Wow! How gorgeous!
Small fry, I can't walk anymore.
What a wonderful view! Let's stay here all day!
What did I do wrong in my past life to get punished this way? Well, I don't care. I'm gonna go back and take a nap. See ya.
You're right! You aren't going anywhere! Uncle Waddle! Come back!
Get it! I'm going home, small fry.
Look! What's this?
Huh?
It's sweet and it smells nice!
Oh, is that my favorite corn?
Listen there, chicken! Go fetch, little dog! Uncle Waddles would do anything for corn!
Delicious corn. Huh?
Juicy chicken? Did you miss me, did you, huh? Did you?
Oh, you weasels!
You're not getting away!
Small fry, it's the
You two crooks, let go of Uncle Waddles! Put him down now!
Catch me if you can, you little pipsqueaks!
Uncle Waddles! I won't let them take you away!
We're gonna eat chicken tonight for sure!
Right, right.
Scabs, leave Uncle Waddles alone! Uncle
Hey, Slim, I got water boiling already.
Well done, Glutton! No one could save you this time, Uncle Waddles!
Boiled chicken, here we come.
Someone help!
What's that noise?
That hurt a lot.
Uncle Waddles, are you alright?
Oh yeah, I'm fine. Who just saved me now?
I'm here. Nice to meet you. I'm the captain of the Dolphins performance team. My name is Bali.
Toni, thank you for saving my life. My name's Waddles, and this here is Small Fry.
Hi! Thanks for everything you did!
The name's Bali, silly, but you're welcome. Here, watch us all perform for you as a greeting gesture.
How about enjoying the show inside my belly?
Yeah.
Chickens, your voyage has come to an end now!
The weasels are back again.
I'll deal with them.
The chickens are ours!
Right. Wow, Slim, that's a genius idea. This time we're really gonna get them.
They're no match for us. We're gonna get them, and you're gonna be our guest for dinner. A table for two, and you.
Huh? Weasels?
Chickens, you can't get away this time.
What are we gonna do?
Just wait there and be our dinner.
Yay! Dolphin friends!
Help! Hey, Glutton! Here's our chance! Bang! We got you now!
Hey, you!
Hi, Mr. Dolphin!
What is that on your shoulder?
Oh, nothing! Here, take him!
Don't think so. Too little, too late.
The show's over now, you circus freak!
Huh? Say what?
Let's see what the cookbook says this time. Maybe some dolphin chicken, huh?
Hey, Glutton! Get your nice fork ready!
Got it!
Only after eating chicken will we become real weasels! That's a fact!
I don't want to be weasel food! No, I haven't bathed for months! I must smell terrible! I don't taste good!
No matter! I don't mind that in the least at all!
Uncle Waddles! You don't stand a chance!
That will be up to you to decide.
We're about to eat chicken! Can you believe it?
Pretty soon I'm gonna be a real weasel.
Oh no, look at the shark!
Huh? Ah, look, Slim! It's a shark! Oh, no, stay away!
How did we end up here? Uncle Waddles! Huh? Uncle Waddles! Can you hear me?
Huh? What's going on? Where are we? Are we in heaven now, or are we still alive? I feel so strange. Huh? My wing's all right. Those weasels weren't even close to eating us birds.
I know! Look! Ollie and his friends!
Huh? Hi, Dolly!
Ah!
Spot Fry, what are they waving in their hands?
They're shark fins!